What's going on? I'm Allison. For this video, we're doing a quick 8-minute core session. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to tap that subscribe button and the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos released every Mondays and Thursdays. For this workout, all you need is a mat and a light or moderate dumbbell. This is the perfect core routine to stack on top of your regular workout like cardio or strength day, or if you're on an active recovery day and just want to do a little something. So grab your weight and your mat and let's get started. Let's go ahead and start it out in a high plank position. Hands are down, toes are down. And when you're in this plank, you want to make sure your wrists, elbows, and shoulders are stacked, core is engaged, squeeze the glutes. And if you think of it, roll those shoulder blades in your back pockets and your whole body's going to shift just a touch and just breathe. Now this is your warm-up move, so if you need a little more time to ease in, feel free to drop the knees. We're holding this for another 20 seconds. So just breathe and hold. If it bothers your wrists, feel free to take it down onto your forearms and do a forearm plank instead. Good. Now we have that weight close by and we are going to use it on and off throughout this routine. Hang in there for 4, 3, 2, go ahead and drop those knees. You can kind of roll up those wrists for a moment. All right, we are going to go back into that plank position. Now we're going to grab that weight and we're going to do some plank or some dumbbell passes. So I'm placing that weight down just outside of my mat and behind my wrists, going back into that high plank. Shoulders and hips are staying steady, reaching between, grab that weight, set it to the other side, and then reverse, taking it back. We're gonna do this move for 30 seconds. Just like before, you can do this on your toes or you can drop down to your knees. Okay, so I'll give you a few moments to get in position. Abs are tight, take a deep breath. We're starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, and here we go. So I'll start off and show you this toe version first. Hips and shoulders steady best you can, all control. And if you need to, you can drop those knees and do that same motion. Good. Keep breathing throughout. Take breaks if you need to. Remember, this is your workout, your time. Make it what it is. 10 more seconds here. Good job. Whew. Coming up, we're gonna go ahead and take a seated position in 3, 2, 1. Good, bring that weight with you. Okay, taking a seat, we're gonna have our heels down, arm is up, we're going to lean back, pull that weight down towards the rib cage, come up, switch hands. Inhale, exhale. So think of this as a half roll back. Our goal is to keep those heels on the ground. All right, you ready? 30 seconds in 3, 2, 1. Go back, bring it up. Inhale, exhale. Now you can really play around with this range of motion. If you're feeling strong, feel free to take it back farther. If you're like, I don't like that weight at all, you're gonna do the same motion without the weight, and you can still add that arm pull back or keep the hands behind and then give yourself a little assist and it takes some of that pressure off. 10 more seconds, how you like. Inhale, exhale. Remember to breathe. Woo. 4, 3, finish the one you're on. Good job, and bring it down. Lie all the way down on your back with your weight. One of my favorite moves we're gonna do is bicycle passes. Bicycle legs, you know, is this, and we're always gonna pass to the outside hand. So one knee in, one leg out, pass and pass. Your head can be up, your head can be down. It is totally up to you. 30 seconds here. All right, in 4, 3, 2, let's do it. Breathe. Good. Remember, your option is here. If that's too much strain in your neck. Or you can always do traditional bicycles without the weight. You've got it. Make sure that lower back's not arching. Woo. You're doing amazing. 10 more seconds. Then we'll take a little break from this weight. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax the head. Set that weight down. Next move we're gonna do is a star crunch. So for your star crunch, you're gonna make like a 5-pointed star, legs out, arms out. Inhale, exhale, crunch yourself into a ball. Inhale, reach back. Exhale, bring it in. Again, another 30 seconds. Everything's 30 seconds today. All right, get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. Inhale, exhale. Now, you see my 2 options. First option, head goes down in between. Second option, a little more advanced, head stays up. So whatever floats your boat, you can definitely do it. Lift. Just make sure those arms and legs are fully extending. core is tight, crunching yourself nice and tight into that ball, knees to chest. Woo, you're doing awesome. Come on, 10 seconds here. Breathe. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna give you an extra little time here just to hug the knees in, drop the head. You only have a few more little things left to do, and then you are done with this quick core workout. All right, roll it up. Working obliques, we're gonna go back to your weight. Weight is optional. We're gonna do a side plank with a little hip dip. So with this hip dip, I'm adding a little extra upper body, but that is totally up to you, and I'll show you without it as well. Legs are stacked, arms in a 90-degree angle, engage the core, we lift the hips up. We're going to drop the hip, bring that elbow down, pop right back up. So this is your big one. Modification, knees down, same move. And then the second option, you can either do this, right? Or you can lift up, drop down and up without the weight. We're only going to do 8 reps for this, and reps because we're doing both sides and we want to be even. Okay, so decide which version you're doing. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up. Breathe, and let's go for 8. So that's the high version. 7, modified with the knee. 6, 5, remember you can always get rid of it. The weight. 4, 3, these are tough. 2, and 1. Very nice. We're gonna go ahead and just do the other side. So you can either flip it over, face the other way, now that you know what's happening, or go on the other side of your mat with me. Quick body check, 90 degrees, legs are stacked, abs are tight, grab the weight with the outside hand. When you're ready, pop it up. We have 8, let's go. 8, 7, yes, 6, woo, 5, modify if you need to. 3, come on, 2 more. And last one. Great job, and bring it down. Let's finish up on your back. Bring your weight with you and go in a lying down position. Extend the arms up, extend the legs up and that head. We're going to lower one leg down, bring it back up, and lower the other leg. 30 seconds just like this. Your modified version is going to be head down, and then tap those toes, legs are at a tabletop position. Okay, let's start in 5 seconds. Take a breath, lift it up. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Down, up. Inhale, exhale. Good. Good news is we only have one more exercise after this, and then you are done. Whew. Good. You've got it. Breathe. You have 10 more seconds. Come on, finish strong. Woo. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay on your back. Last we're gonna do is we're gonna extend the arms and the legs. Inhale, exhale, big crunch in. Inhale, reach, exhale in. And this is it, your last 30 seconds in 5, 4, 3, 2, here we go. Inhale, exhale. And like always, if this bothers your neck, head can be down, you can stay here, or you can just add that lift when you crunch in. Breathe. Make sure there's no space in that lower back in the floor. If it is, engage the core a little more, or raise those legs higher. Come on, this is it. Last big finishing move, 10 seconds right here. You've got it. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the knees, or drop the weights, hug the knees in. Whew. You can get a lot done in just under 8 minutes. So you're done, you made it. Good, drop the knees to one side, reach opposite direction. Quick stretch for those obliques. Good. When you're ready, switch sides. And center up, give yourself a big hug, rock it up to a seated position. One more little stretch here, sitting up tall. Inhale, reach up, grab the wrist with one hand, over to the side. Amazing. This workout is great to stack after, your regular exercise, cardio or strength day, or if you're kind of on a recovery day, active recovery day, you just want to do a little something. Good, center up, bring it down. Inhale, reach all the way up and let it all go. My name is Allison. Thank you so much for working out with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Great job on completing this workout. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.